In today's video, I will be cooking some ackee and saltfish, which is Jamaica's national dish. Now, ackee is considered a fruit and is safe to eat once the pods are open. The ackee is cleaned by removing the seeds and the pit. Ackee can be eaten by itself or it can be paired with fish or meat. Today, I'm going to be using some saltfish, otherwise known as codfish. After cleaning the ackee, you will need to boil it in a little salt water. Ackee is rich in vitamin A and C, potassium, calcium, zinc, and fiber. To prepare the saltfish, you will need to boil it to remove the extra salt, and you will need to clean it by removing the scales. It is also best to remove the bones. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can also use dried red herring or any other type of fish in place of saltfish. I like to add lots of onions because it really enhances the flavor of the dish. All the natural seasons used in this dish adds a lot of vitamins and minerals as well. It is also important to chop your veggies even so they cook in the same time. Most Jamaican dishes are going to have these key natural ingredients. Onion and garlic are a must. We also use a lot of scallion, pepper, thyme, and green peppers. My cooking oil of choice for this dish is the coconut oil. The flavor is immense. Saute your vegetables for a few minutes before adding the fish. Ackee also contains vitamin B3, which is known to boost energy. 100 grams of ackee is equal to 4 grams of protein. Ackee and saltfish is usually served for breakfast, but can be eaten at any time of the day. Ackee and saltfish can be served with fried breadfruit or roast breadfruit or even festival. It can also be served with green bananas and ground provision. Now check out this beautiful spot in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.